1.1b is about how we divide up angles into super small chunks. Okay? A 1 degree angle is pretty small, right? Okay? So 1 degree is like 1 hour. How do we divide up hours into smaller parts? 60. So in 1 degree, there's 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, can we divide up a minute into smaller parts? We sure can. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So, 60 is not a good one. Like 45 degrees is the same as 44 degrees, 0 minutes, and 59 minutes and 60 seconds. And you're going, what you talking about, Bierschbach? Well, here we go. Okay. In 60 seconds, there's 1 minute, right? So if we add 1 minute to 59 minutes, it gets up to 60 minutes. And 60 minutes plus 60 minutes is the same as 1 degree. So 45 degrees would basically equal that. Okay? So if we had 36 degrees, 20 minutes, and 12 seconds, what would be its decimal equivalent for that? Okay, what would be its decimal equivalent? Well, how many seconds are in a minute? 60. So this is the same as 36 degrees, 20.12 divided by 60 is what as a decimal? What's 12 divided by 60 as a decimal? 0.2. So 36 degrees, 20 minutes, 12 seconds is the same as 36 degrees, 20.2 minutes. Now what we're going to take is we're going to take that 20.2 and divide it by 60 to get decimal. So this is 36 okay, take 20.2 divided by 60 and round it to the nearest 4 decimal places. So 20.2 divided by 60. So 36 degrees, 20 minutes, and 12 seconds is approximately 36.3367 degrees. Okay? So we're going to change degrees, minutes, seconds into decimal degrees. Let's do that one more time. If we have 128 degrees, 42 minutes, and 36 seconds, what is that as a decimal? Okay. First step. Do we start with the 128, the 42, or the 36? 36. We take 36 divided by 60. What's 36 divided by 60? 0.6. So this is 128 degrees, 42.6 minutes. And we take the 42.6 and divide that by 60. And we get 128 what's 42.6 divided by 60? To 4 decimal places. 0.71 exactly? Yeah. I'm pretty good. 128.71 degrees. Okay? So that's how to change degrees, minutes, seconds into decimal degrees. Now let's say we start with decimals and let's turn it into degrees, minutes, seconds. So let's say we have 34 degrees, 34.325 degrees. 34.325 degrees. And we want to change it to degrees, minutes, seconds. Well, you take this part of it, the decimal part, and up here we divide it by 60. So down here we're going to multiply by 60. So this is 34 degrees. And then what's 0.325 times 60? 19.5 minutes. And then we're going to take this part, cut it off, and multiply that by 60. And that is obviously 30. So we end up with 34 degrees, 19 minutes, and 30 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, this is where it gets a little more complicated. 36 degrees, 14 minutes, 12 seconds. 86 degrees, 52 minutes. Come on. 52 minutes. And 50 seconds. What's X? All right, so how many degrees are in a triangle? 180. Okay, so we have to add up these two and subtract from 180. So simply we take 86 degrees, 52 minutes, 50 seconds, and then 36 degrees, 14 minutes, and 12 seconds, and add them up. Should I start on the left-hand side or the right-hand side? Right-hand side. This adds up to 62 seconds. Can you have 62 seconds in a minute? No. So what I have to do is change this to 2 seconds and add 1 up to here because you're adding a minute. Okay, because it was 62, which is 2 plus a minute. So if we add a minute to here, we get 53 plus 14. 53 plus 14 is 67. Can we have 67? No. So then that we get rid of the 60 and it's just 7 and we add a minute to here. I borrowed 1 from here. There's 1 plus 52 is 53 plus 14 is 67. All right. So 86 makes 87 plus 36. 87 plus 36 is 123, correct? So it's 123, 7 minutes, 2 seconds. So we're taking 180 degrees minus that. The problem is, when you subtract this, there's no minutes and seconds on this, is there? So that's where I have to turn this into 179 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds. Okay? So I have to take 1 less of this, 1 less of this, because I'm borrowing, and then all of that. And then subtract 123, 7, and 2 from there. So I get 58 seconds, I get 52 minutes, and I get 56 degrees. So the missing angle is 56 degrees, 52 minutes, and 58 seconds. Okay? Let's do another one. What's the missing angle? How many degrees are in a straight line? 180. So instead of taking 180, I take 179 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds, and subtract 79 degrees, 14 minutes, and 12 seconds to get 100 degrees, 45 minutes, and 48 seconds. All right. All right. I think you can add, subtract, and figure this out. So I think you're probably good with this. I want to give you plenty of time, so you got time to work on this. So this is section 11B, and I will sign it out on Math Excel.